Hey everyone, I'm James and this is my YouTube channel. Well, I'm here. I mean, after months and months and weeks, I finally decided to make myself my own YouTube channel to help you guys on your road to your first 100 Twitch followers. I would like to make this YouTube channel to help you lot with gaining followers, how to make Class A content, and making more entertaining streams. So if people would like that, please hit the subscribe button and check out my future content where I will be helping with microphone settings, cool lighting tips to make your streams the best streams they can be. So yeah, if you want to, my Discord and my Twitch will be linked down below, and please join. If anyone's got any YouTube recommendations of what they would like to see in the future with content, message me, DM me, let me know right in the comment section down below. Dude, that is the first time I've said that. Can you imagine? Oh damn, 2020, it's the year for Atomic Yin, baby. But yeah guys, hopefully it's really nice to start a YouTube channel. Hopefully you can be a part of the amazing community, and yeah, I'll see you all soon. But for now, let's get this party on the road, shall we? Boom. You're all amazing. Stay safe. Be true. Be you.